Hello, friends, and welcome to Stonks. Stonks is your weekly finance news show where me and a couple of friends sit down and discuss what all are the big news events. I used to do this as a live stream and you guys really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd bring it back, but as videos. मैं अपने दोस्त जो एक्चुअली मुझसे ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्म्ड है उनके साथ बैठ के फाइनेंस की खबरें डिस्कस करूंगा और बकचोदी में थोड़ी सीख भी लेंगे. आज का एपिसोड एंड तक देखना क्योंकि एंड में हम रिवील करेंगे कि इस साल के सबसे बिगेस्ट गेनर्स कौन थे स्टॉक मार्केट की दुनिया में. ऑन दैट नोट शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. Alright, बताओ क्या हुआ है इस हफ्ते.
Indian companies have raised a lot of money in this financial year. Almost 30 firms have raised 30,000 crores through IPOs in this financial year, which is the highest in the last 3 years.
I think I have IPOs become the new lottery ticket. Like I'll quickly buy this. ये अभी पंप होने वाला है अगला एक हफ्ता, फिर उसके बाद डंप हो सकता है पता नहीं. मैं तो पंप के टाइम पे कैश आउट करके निकल जाएगा.
इसलिए तो लोग आ नहीं रहे हो. मतलब that's why you're getting lesser number of IPO shares than earlier because just the volume of people doing this has just gone up a lot during this last year.
The reason why so many firms like started their IPOs this year was because market बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर लग रहा था and they were maybe confident कि हाँ this is a good time to start raising money because valuation अच्छा देगा market. So
You think about it, no? If you are selling books at a signal, right? You will go when there are maximum Mercedes at the signal, right? That's when you think you'll make maximum sales. कि सबके पास पैसा है, ये बुक तो बिक ही जाएगा.
Mostly, how do you buy stocks? You buy stocks by trying to predict the future cash flows of a company. इधर ये सब नहीं हो रहा है. अभी retail investors में ये सब नहीं हो रहा. We don't do that here.
Yeah. But you can check the fundamentals of every stock on Tickertape. By the way, link is in the description.
Take time before you distribute your wealth. ऐसा नहीं है कि खराब में बैठा है घर के बाहर बंडल लेके कि आप आइए ये लीजिए पैसा. So take your time. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. अगर IPO में नहीं डाला तो if you believe in the company, जब लिस्ट हो जाएगा उसके बाद डाल दो.
Correct.
अगर रिसर्च करोगे तो आगे जाके अगर थोड़ा वॉलेटाइल भी हो गया तो you won't lose confidence and end up selling it at any price which the market is offering.
Correct.
So research काफी important है.
हाँ, ये one night stand नहीं. Look for relationship with company. Gland Pharma Limited, IRFC and CAMS. Oh, CAMS तो people have been talking about for a long time, no?
Yeah.
It was supposed to list in 2018, 19. It got late. So anybody who doesn't know CAMS, वो जो CAMS का email आता है ना जब म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, वो एक CAMS है.
Got it. Okay. So 6,480 crores, 4,600 crores, and 2,240 crores. Nice.
Yeah, and the most subscribed companies one of them was MTAR Technologies 200 times. ये last month ही हुआ. And second was Mrs. Bector's Food. Cremica जो केचप वगैरह बेचता है वो कंपनी. And that was subscribed 198 times.
Nice. Do we have any of these in my portfolio, Anshuman?
I applied for most of the IPOs which I liked, but luck तो हमारा थोड़ा खराब ही है. So we didn't get any.
तो यहाँ पे बस दुख बांटने के लिए आता है अंशुमन यहाँ पे. सबने पैसे कमाए तन्मय देखो, पर हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. Oh, I found out through memes. What the hell happened?
Same here.
हाँ, क्या हुआ बता मेरे को?
So एक Suez Canal बोल के एक artificial waterway है, which is in Egypt, and it connects the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea.
Okay.
ठीक है? So which basically is the shortest route to connect Asia and Africa.
तो trade, lots of trade. हाँ.
Yeah, and there is another way also. Africa के through भी जा सकते हो via Cape of Good Hope.
हाँ, पर वो SP रोड है.
2 हफ्ते लग जाते हैं.
किसको नहीं जाने का SP रोड से? हाँ.
Crazy. हाँ, exact.
हमको sexy linking road चाहिए, एकदम मस्त, fast.
And problem क्या है वो जो waterway है ना, because it's artificial, थोड़ा ये पतला है. ठीक है? So Evergreen बोल के एक बहुत बड़ा ताइवानी शिप / कार्गो वो आया और because of some things I think the nature के वजह से अभी तक ड्राइवर पे बात नहीं आई है, but according to कि बहुत ज्यादा वेव आया and वो अटक गया and it got stuck for like 6 to 7 days because of which 300 ships both ways got stuck.
It was basically a ship का traffic jam था ये.
Because Egypt was losing almost like millions in toll naka, like because it passes through them, right? So they were losing a lot of money.
$15 million on a daily basis.
Oh wow.
Right? That is just it literally. हाँ वो मतलब बसाई का टोल नाका 15 मिलियन कमा रहा होता तो ट्रक को निकालने के लिए कोई भी कुछ करेगा मतलब.
और उन्होंने जेसीबी बेचा एक उसको निकालने के लिए. ये मीम हमने इंस्टाग्राम पे डाला था. प्लीज हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. नेक्स्ट न्यूज. वीजा टर्न्स टू क्रिप्टो सेटलमेंट. दिस वाज ह्यूज एंड वी सॉ We saw Bitcoin rally after the announcement also. This is very big news.
Exactly as you said, Visa announced that they will actually accept crypto in the form of stable coins. And because their payment network is very huge, this was a very big push.
Correct.
So that's why Bitcoin rallied and reached 59,000, which was the week's high.
It feels like more and more mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin is happening, right?
But what is interesting here, right? Concept of stable coins. They haven't gone for saying that Bitcoin exchange kar sakte.
Correct. Stablecoin, by the way, for those who don't know, is pegged to the dollar, right? In this case, USDC is pegged to the dollar, which basically means ki for every token of USDC that exists, there is $1 that is there to back it up.
See, one of the challenges in crypto, right? Traditionally, Bitcoin was that the volatility does not allow an efficient concept of exchange.
Correct.
So money is nothing but a format of trust that I or you reside on the same instrument and exchange it in the most efficient way.
Correct.
Right? The good part is कि 100 रुपए को आप 10 रुपए में divide कर सकते हो, coins में divide कर सकते हो. Great part of crypto is that you can go to the most last decimal, right?
Correct.
You can divide a crypto in many very, very micro parts.
Yeah, they will now be called Satoshis. They're discussing it because Bitcoin is becoming so valuable that transactions, it becomes hard because it's complicated. And something is एक chocolate, एक cup ऐसा 0.000013829 BTC. ये कौन calculate करेगा? Just tell me this is 10 Satoshi. That'll be easier.
Yeah, so the final news of the day. Because we are shooting it on 31st of March, I'm summarizing the 5 best performing stocks of this year.
All right, exciting.
Any guesses?
I'm excited to know how many of these stocks I don't have in my portfolio. Let's
The
see.
good part, you had to buy it on 1st of April last year and sell it today.
To get the best out of this. All right, this is in the Nifty 100 universe. Let's start with number 5. Anshuman, bata. Number 5 पे क्या है?
It's Motherson Sumi Systems. This has given a return of more than 200%. It produces auto parts. ऑटो वायरिंग हो गया, फिर बाद में गाड़ियों के जो लाइट्स वगैरह होती है, हेडलैम्प्स वगैरह, एवरीथिंग. सो ऑटो एंसिलरी, ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू द कार्स.
The cars, nice. And cars have rallied this year, right? Because people expected that post-COVID people would buy. Also, माँ बेटी की जोड़ी जब साथ में काम करती है, फिर कमाल ही होता है. Sorry. You clicked on this video, all right? This is what you should expect. आगे बढ़ते. Hindalco, number 4. Yeah, okay.
One of the world's biggest aluminium producers. And aluminium का price अभी इस साल बढ़ा है. So Hindalco also became.
First of all, it's aluminum.
Myself coming from village area.
Tata Motors 300%. क्या बात है? 300% रैली हुआ इस साल यार. क्या चल रहा है?
नहीं, टाटा मोटर्स वाज वन स्टॉक जो 2 साल पहले लोगों ने पूरा राइट ऑफ कर दिया था. आफ्टर द जैगुआर डील नॉट कमिंग थ्रू फॉर देम, एक साल जैगुआर ने टाटा को बचाया, दूसरा साल जैगुआर ने टाटा को वापस डुबाया. वैसा वाला सीन था. People had completely written this off, not just in India but globally, right?
Correct.
And they have completely changed it.
What a comeback by them.
Yeah.
Does it remind you of someone?
It feels good to be a gangster.
Okay. All right. At number 2, we have Adani Transmission, of course. 344%. ये है क्या हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में?
नहीं.
तो मतलब अंशुमन ये सारा रिटर्न नहीं मिला था.
तू चाकू ही लेके आके बस भोंक देना मेरे अंदर कि हुई ये पीपीटी के थ्रू मुझे तू धीरे धीरे मार रहा है.
आपका फेवरेट स्टॉक है लिक्विड फंड. मैं क्या बोलूं इसके बाद. लास्ट वन इज
Adani Green Energy 700. Let me do the honors. ये हमारे पोर्टफोलियो में है क्या? है? कितना है? 400 रुपया. मैंने 400 रुपया डाला और 2000 रुपया हो गया.
नहीं. The amount is of course not a lot because we have invested the majority part in your favorite stock, which is liquid fund. But, yeah.
Looking at returns can only make you feel horrible for yourself, right? If you had invested, then you're like, अरे क्यों ज़्यादा नहीं डाला? या if you did invest like me, then you're like, क्या कर दिया मैंने? मतलब, so don't let emotional अत्याचार on yourself on a daily basis.
Correct.
So don't look at other people's return.
Also, a year like this year is a once in a lifetime phenomenon, right? Like, we have not seen a year like this ever. तो इस साल जनता बहुत जो स्टॉक मार्केट गेम में एंटर किया इस साल, वो लोग को लगता है कि ये हर साल ऐसा होगा.
This is
Will
the
my
normal.
returns be like this? It's never like this, right? This is like a once in a blue moon. And
That's the
guys,
thing.
just remember, like, don't let FOMO get to you. And no matter how much fun someone makes for you for your favorite stock being liquid fund, don't let it hurt you, man. जब तक तुम अंदर से सख्त हो ना, तब तक तुम्हारे पैसे ठीक रहेंगे यार. तुम टेंशन मत लो, ठीक है अंशुमन? Alright, friends, on that note, I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much, gentlemen. You can follow Gaurang and Anshuman on Instagram. Their links are in the description. And do follow us on Instagram and Telegram. हम Telegram पे है अभी अंशुमन. हम क्या क्या करते Telegram पे? Daily market में कुछ खबर हुआ, daily top gainer कौन था, क्या क्या news होते हैं. Stonks daily हम करते हैं वहाँ पे. तो Telegram पे आ जाओ, daily stonks मिलेगा आपको. On that note, gentlemen, thank you very much. See you next time and cheers. So make sure hit like on this video and subscribe to the channel ताकि finance की खबरें आपके timeline पे आते जाए and you always get to keep up.